Alright, this is one pass with the gate down. That's pretty darn good right there. Picking up the I-beam. Nice size salamander in here.
I will say this, I'm not as good a stick welder as I used to be, because you get spoiled.
Alright, just put it down right there. Now it's up. Alright, it's tractor season again. Phil's gonna clean it up after my mess. Although when I knocked it off, it was like really brutal. I don't remember if it was Kentucky, but I'll have to dig up the video on how my welds broke, because I hit some really...
Sure it couldn't have been your fantastic weld. Couldn't have been your fantastic weld.
It hit a really heavy bump of some kind. Yes. No, I don't think so. So anyways, I just made it to the Kentucky farm September 11th, 2021. As we remember, 20 years ago, September 11th. So anyways, I got my ATV, my cultipacker, and the disc chisel. Fairly steep driveway, and there's a lot of loose rock at the top. First run up here, and that didn't work. Let's just try a longer running start. So I made it up the hill. I actually did break some welds on the chisel disc of the picking up the I-beam for this little project. There's a nice size salamander in here. Hope he ain't one of the poison ones. She can get a little focus.
Kiss him and find out.
Well,
he's alive.
He's alive. He's
cold.
Might be still hibernating. I'll cover him up with some dirt. Alright, so here you could see how this homemade chisel disc works, and what we're working on today is this contraption hanging over the back right there. So you got your discs that break up the dirt, then you got your chisels that break it up and turn it up, but then you got that little rake there at the end that levels it out. So adding some weight to that really helped it work much better. So since we're repairing it, we're going to go ahead and add more weight so that it works even better at smoothing out the dirt here. Hopefully we can start cutting dirt here really quick this spring.
will say this, I'm not as good a stick welder as I used to be, because you get spoiled with that MIG welder.
Looks like a masterpiece
Yeah, it's
right here.
Looks like master something.
All right, let's see this new creation from Felipe. Our zip ties are still holding. Some guys were busting our saying them will never hold. I mean, there's not really a pressure point there, particularly. Look at this, Phil.
Oh, that looks like caterpillars mating on there.
Was this the side I did, or was this the side you did?
If it looks bad, it's the side you did. So maybe you did all sides. Not my finest work, but it'll hold.
It's tractor time, man. We're gonna hit the fields. We're greening up down here. Thanks, Phil. I do appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem.
All right, this is one pass with the gate down. That's pretty darn good right there. That's one pass with the Harrow